Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a TDS detection pen. So this is gonna tell us how clean our water is. In there, I can just go ahead and fill up a cup of some water in here. And it will tell us the dissolved solid level. So this is a glass of water. And then I can turn it on. Oh, I might have to put a battery in it or something. Let me see. Okay, I'll be right back. I think I need a battery. Correction, it comes with the batteries, but they have that little plastic thing in there, so you just gotta pull that out. And now, I can put it back in there. Ah, there we go. So now it says 0, and it's gonna tell us 201 right now in this particular water. That's cool. I can take it out, and I can filter water and check it again and stuff like that and see how many TDS I have on it. And then I can look up and see what's good. I guess ideally you want it to be less than 50. So my water isn't the cleanest, but it's fine. So it's cool though. It's nice the way it does it. And I can just push the button and turn it off and save it. So totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.